Hi guys, welcome back. Samsung's flagship Galaxy Note 10 will be bigger, but now the company's decision makes a lot more sense. Popular Samsung tipster Universe has revealed it will be called the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, and Pro seems the only name which justifies the flagship's bonkers 6.75-inch display. In fact, put this massive Note 10 Pro alongside the previously leaked affordable 6.28-inch Note 10e, and the new look lineup appears far more compelling. Furthermore, Samsung securing the Pro name is smart. The standard 4G model of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro will feature an adequately sized 4500 mAh battery, which is a 500 mAh hike on that of the Galaxy Note 9 and on par with that of the Galaxy S10 5G, according to esteemed tipster Universe. And following news, Samsung is pulling 25-watt fast charging from the Galaxy Note 10. Popular insider Universe has updated his information to reveal Samsung will actually fit a charger more powerful than 25 watt. This is actually very real, with Oppo's SuperVOOC charger hitting approximately 50 W and charging its Find-X Lamborghini from 0-100% in just 35 minutes. The Galaxy Note 10 Pro, we expect that only the model will have up to 2 TB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. For several years, Samsung has kept the same design language for its phones, using glass on both the front and back cover and an aluminum frame. No rumors have indicated this will change, therefore, we expect the same overall body style for the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Pro. Furthermore, if Samsung nails this, then it could prove to be the cherry on the top. We already know the Galaxy Note 10 will outgun the S10, feature a better camera, and Verizon has let the cat out of the bag that the Note will have 5G at launch. So throw ballistic fast charging into the mix, and Samsung is going to have a big hit on its hands. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.